In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create exceptional blog posts in HubSpot using their updated Content Hub. This guide will walk you through setting up your blog and crafting posts seamlessly. Whether you're just getting started or looking to refine your blogging process, this tutorial will provide everything you need from start to finish. First, let's tackle how to create a blog if you haven't set one up yet. Within your HubSpot account, begin by clicking on the Settings icon. This will lead you to the Content section where you will see an option labeled Blog. Once you're there, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Current View. Click this and select Create New Blog. Here, you're prompted to enter essential details such as your blog title, an optional internal name for ease of management, the language of your content, and your chosen hosting domain or subdirectory. After filling in these details, take a moment to select or customize your blog theme or template. Once everything looks good, click Create Blog to complete the setup. Congratulations, your new blog is now ready and will appear in the blog tool, poised for some creative content development. Now that we have our blog set up, it's time to dive into creating and customizing a blog post. Navigate back to the blog section in Content and click on Create, then Blog Post. A pop-up will appear prompting you to choose the blog you wish to add content to. Select your desired blog and hit Create Blog Post. You'll then find yourself in the editor, a versatile space where your content ideas will come to life. In the blog post body module, let your creativity flow as you write your content. You can enrich your post with a variety of media options such as images, CTAs, and videos. If you want to curate a clean look for your summary view, remember to insert a Read More separator after your introductory text. For a more focused writing process, you might find the focus mode incredibly beneficial as it streamlines your interface to eliminate distractions. Next, let's move over to configuring your post settings by clicking the Settings tab within the editor. Here you can refine various elements like your title, the page title for SEO purposes, and even the URL slug to ensure it aligns with your branding and content goals. Assign your post to a specific blog and author, and don't forget to add relevant tags to help categorize your content efficiently. You also have the option to set a featured image, complete with alt text for improved accessibility and social sharing impact. For users with professional or enterprise plans, associating your post with a campaign can further enhance your marketing efforts. Here, you can also select from various template options and explore advanced settings such as canonical URLs or access controls. Finally, when you're ready to share your masterpiece, you can choose to publish it immediately by hitting Publish and confirming your choice. If you're planning ahead, take advantage of the scheduling feature by clicking the drop-down beside Publish. Here, you can pick a date and time that best suits your strategy, confirm, and then simply click Schedule. Take a moment to explore the Optimize tab where you'll find valuable SEO suggestions and opportunities to attach topics or subtopics for greater search performance. Before you go live, use the Preview button to see exactly how your post will look across different platforms, including desktop, mobile, and AMP version if applicable. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to harness the full potential of HubSpot's Content Hub, creating outstanding blog posts that engage and convert your audience. Happy blogging!